Hi everybody, welcome back to Arm Candy. This is a Mulberry Clifton and I just think it's gorgeous. I love the colour. So this is the colour Clay. It's a lovely wintry grey neutral colour, and then we've got gorgeous gold hardware as well, and I just think the simple design and the clay colour just makes it look a very elegant looking bag. So I'll talk you through the features. We've got one top handle, and this is actually adjustable as well. So we've got it on the short setting at the minute, but you can make it longer as well, but I'll show you that when I show you the size properly. And then we have a flap closure, and then we've got two press-stud fastens on that flap closure, so just pop those open. And then inside we've got three zipped sections there, so you can open each of those up, and then in each of those got a lovely green, dark green fabric lining in there, which is super soft, and the texture of this leather as well is so soft and so tactile, it feels lovely. So the condition of this bag, we've called the exterior very, very good, and that is because just on this strap, on this leather top handle, you can see there's just a couple of marks here and there. Just here there's a tiny, really tiny little scratch, and then on the bottom you can see we've got a little mark just here, again very, very tiny, but other than that it's in a gorgeous condition. You can see those corners are all pristine, and other than that on the leather there's no marks or anything like that for me to show you. There's a couple of places where there's perhaps a little bit of indentation, you can see a little mark there, but no scratches or stains or anything like that. It's still in a gorgeous condition, the exterior. The interior we've called good. There's just a couple more signs of wear. You can see on the press-stud fastens around there, it's just got a little bit of creasing, and then you can see a couple more marks just here from where it's been sat on the zips, just marks it a little bit there, and then there's just a couple of marks just here and here as well, but again they're very, very small. That fabric lining in there, that green fabric lining, is in a gorgeous condition. There's no faults with that for me to show you. It's just those few marks on the leather on the interior. The hardware we have called very, very good. There is really nothing for me to show you, hardly anything. You can see all that gold tone is lovely and shiny and gorgeous. It's just on these zips there's a couple of areas where, like, very, very tiny amount of wear, where that gold tone has just started to dull a little bit on the top of some of those zip pulls, but other than that the hardware is absolutely pristine on this gorgeous little bag. I will show you what it comes with. So we've got Mulberry envelope, and then inside there we've got a few bits. So we have Mulberry care card, and then we also have the returns forms here. Just get that open. So Mulberry returns forms here, and then we also have Mulberry compliments card and Mulberry order form as well. And then we also have Mulberry tissue paper, as well as Mulberry dust bag. Little Mulberry dust bag coming with it as well. So if you wanted any exact measurements on this bag, you can go to the link in the description below, and that's the link to shop this bag on our website, so armcandybagco.com. Hopefully it should take you directly to this Clifton. If it doesn't and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. It's a gorgeous little bag, so I'm guessing it will go very quickly. But if you love it as much as we do, don't fret, because you can get on our request list. So all you have to do is just send us over an email or fill out the contact us form on our website, and then as soon as we get in another one like this, we'll send you through an email with the link to shop, and then hopefully you can get in there nice and quickly next time. So that is the request list. As I said, exact measurements will be on the website, but I will show you the size on me for reference. So as I said, we've got two options with this strap. You can have it short like this, and then it sits very nicely as a little shoulder bag, just like that. Or you've also got the option to just pop those out there on either side. Then you can see it extends down. Just get that wiggled through. And you've got the full length strap there, just like that. So you can again pop it on the shoulder, or because you've got a bit more length, you can pop it across your body like that as well, which again just looks really sweet and looks very elegant. It makes a lovely little day to evening bag, especially because its size. It's perfect size to fit just your essentials in for your day-to-day on into the evening. So a very gorgeous little bag. Again, if you wanted more details on it, go to the link in the description below. That's the link to our shop, armcandybagco.com. And while you're on our website, don't forget to sign up to our newsletter. We'll send you through your welcome discount code, and you can use that code on your first purchase with us. While you're here, don't forget to like this video. If you're a bag lover like we are, subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any gorgeous pieces that we have to show you. And while you're on our website as well, have a look at the How to Sell With Us page. So if you have any bags you'd like to sell with Arm Candy Bag Co, all the details you need to know about the process are on there. So have a look on there, and we'll see you later with some more Arm Candy.